Yeah, just put a couple quick.
Dude, do it quick, man.
Quick.
Here, I want to see.
Because we have to be out.
I'll eat it.
Put at least 3 inside. Don't be a
Wait,
big
we gotta
boy.
do it quick though, because it's gonna
Yeah,
blow up right
don't
away.
let Jay in. He's small as fuck.
No, he already did it. He did it. Oh.
Everybody stand back.
It won't blow up in your face.
You haven't even put him in there.
He's putting them all in a line.
What about the way, Nate?
What's up?
Dude, it's gonna be like 2.
Hurry up, quick.
Take him up.
Oh my gosh, yo.
Get up quick.
You see it? There's some orange. See, that's what happens when we tell people not to drink a lot. No, that's what happens when you get the generic.
You have to get the one with the
I couldn't go down to red news. Why?
Let it
Dude,
go,
what
let
the
it go,
fuck
let
are
it
you
go.
doing? It's gonna explode in your hand.
No, it's not.
Oh.
Alright, everybody back the fuck up. Pop that. Oh!
All the shit is gonna bust it out. It's like, oh shit.
Wait, let me. Okay.
Move the darn baby. 2, 1.
Go!
Whoa!
Fuck yes! I'm down.
Oh! Oh my god!
Oh my god!
Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god!
Oh yeah, generic.
Hello.
Can it do a second round?
Oh my gosh, yo.
You guys know I do have another bottle in my house, but who wants to go down to
I'm not gonna be here by the time you guys
Rite Aid?
Yo, I got soda all over me.
Who has more money?
Day.
All right, guys, I will go.
Dang.